Hello everyone, welcome to Iraqi Arabic for everyone. My name is Ali. I am a native Arabic speaker and I hold a master degree in languages. Today we are going to talk about Iraqi Arabic, and this course is for beginners. So about this course, it is built for absolute beginners, so no prior Arabic needed. It will focus on real and spoken Iraqi dialect, that is spoken language in the street, not textbook. And every phrase includes Arabic script, transliteration, and English meaning. How to use this course? You have to follow the slides in order, and each section builds on the last. You have to pause and repeat every phrase out and loud. You can repeat it twice or more than 3 times. It's up to you. And there will be quiz slides to check your memory. So, are you ready? Let's start. الأبجدية, the alphabet. الحروف الأبجدية. So there are 30 letters, including 2 sounds unique to Iraqi dialect, which is ge and che. So the first letter, alif, alif, and it's pronounced as e, as in bait, house. So repeat after me, e, alif, bait, bait, alif, The second one is ba, and it is pronounced be, as in bab, door. So can you repeat after me? Be, bab, Good. We have ta, and it is pronounced as te, as in tufah, apple. Repeat after me. Te, tufah, tufah. Third or the fourth, which is the, tha, and it's pronounced the, as in the word theater or 3. So the, ثلاثة, ثلاثة, ثلاثة. You have jim, and it's pronounced j, as in jamia, university. So it's pronounced j, jamia, jamia. Repeat after me. J, jamia. Okay, we have che, as in church, chai. So it's pronounced che, chai, tea. So in Iraqi, if you want to order tea, you say arid chai, I want tea. Arid chai. Repeat after me. Che, chai. We have ha, and it's pronounced ha. It comes from the back of the throat. Ha, as in halib. So to pronounce this one is as if you are saying ah, but you just give it the vibration in the back of the throat. So you say ha, ha, halib, milk, halib. So ha, 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 halib. Repeat after me, halib. We have kh, kha, kh, kh, kh. So as if something is stuck in your throat and you want to take it out. So kh, kh. Khubuz, bread. Khubuz, kh, kh. Khubuz, kh, khubuz. Repeat after me. Kha, kh, kh. Khubuz, khubuz. Good. So for more videos, like and subscribe, and wait for the second part.